Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alvino. I am from SDN Karang Kulon 2. I will read a story about myself. The title is Myself. Hi, my name is Alvino Putra Pratama. Now I am going to tell you about myself. I am 12 years old. I like playing football. My favorite food is noodle. My favorite drink is mango juice. My favorite color is blue. In the future, I want to be a soccer player. I want to be that because I saw their action was amazing. That's all from me. We must have an attitude of enthusiasm to achieve a goal. And this is a story about myself. I hope this is useful for all of you. In closing, I say Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you later.